Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and ages, etc. Category category 5. Category 8. Category 9. Category 10. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen all things will be required to present photo ID at check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
Reservation of the hotel is outstanding in case love to enjoy the surrounding. 20 of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several tools and offers are available online for this hotel along with various payments like booking policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check link in description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can miss every video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.